Today is a very special day because it's finally here. My new gimbal's arrived. Here it is. We have a cool knife to do this with. Right, let's get this thing opened. It feels really sturdy, not too heavy. I have actually used the Ronin S before, but this is the DJI Ronin SC2. And the Ronin S is much more heavier than this, but I think that's the whole point of this, is that DJI brought out a much lighter, more user-friendly gimbal in regards to weight, because the Ronin S is quite heavy, larger as well. It doesn't feel like a toy by all means. It feels really professional and it's got a really good weight to it. First impressions is that it feels really professional. Right, so that is my unboxing of the DJI Ronin SC2 gimbal, and I'm going to be using this with the Sony a6600, and I'm really looking forward to getting out and having a go and seeing what it's like. I do need to watch some videos on how to set this up. Maybe I'll do another video on how to set it up, but that is it.